don't burn up, they don't wear out, they either gonna blow. That's the way I like them. They don't go down in power, they either gonna blow. And these dang old turbines I got on these 2079, these can bigger look like they got ice on them. Joe James, welcome to the weekend all over again. While I work this DC station, bye bye bye. That's right. Man, take care, big brother. 225, you take care too, big brother. Hit man, 225, 91 in Birmingham. Reading the mail, bye bye bye.